Craig Dunlop from Eastern Insurance Group. I'm a property and casualty broker. My company's based in Massachusetts, although work out of the Rhode Island office, and I'm an insurance broker on the property casualty side. The way I see this medical tourism tying into what I do is to help reduce costs for the workers' comp, whether they're self-insured programs, and we're also working with some of the carriers that provide fully insured programs to provide alternative solutions to those injured employees, where they can provide, from what I can see now after touring the facilities, I believe is at least on par, if not superior, to what we have in the U.S. In particular, the way they've set up the treatment centers for the international patients, the way they've streamlined the processes, the breadth of skilled professionals they bring to the table is really quite phenomenal. It's not what we see in the U.S., where you're chasing around hospitals, chasing around doctors, going to different facilities. Often they have it all under one roof, and it's really quite amazing the amount of organization that they bring to the process. The conference is great. It's got a wealth of information that comes out of it. Quite a spectrum of different speakers, whether it's the health ministry here in Korea. I'm here with Patients Without Borders, and working closely with Jeff Carter and his organization, and just tying it all together, all the organizations and how they're intertwined, and the different service providers that come. I think it's a very informative conference, and really ties in, really demonstrates the commitment, in particular, of the Korean government to the international medical tourism industry and their dedication. It's obvious from what they have done here, their commitment, in whether it's time and their financial commitments, as well as the hospitals and their financial commitments, are quite significant. You can really tell that's their focus, and I believe when you have that much focus on a strategy, you're going to be successful in it. I had my own preconceptions when I came here, and I'm happy to say they were all wrong. It's far better than I ever expected it to be. Very surprised I was of the quality of care that's available here in Korea. It really is amazing to me. Well, this being my first conference, it certainly seems like somebody needs to drive the process, and you've done a wonderful job with the organizing this event. Everything's obviously it seems very organized, and it's great speakers, subject matter experts. I'm taking quite a bit from it.